to Thompson. Stan Hardinger inside off the spin. Will get Ginebra on the board. And one pa yan para kay Christian.
That's a big mismatch for Stan Hardinger.
Mabalas. Malonzo with a rebound. Now na si Scotty. Christian off the secondary.
Napaganda pa yung tapik doon sa pasa niya noon.
Kay Christian ulit ang bagsak doon. Stan Hardinger making it look easy. Ang ganda ng location sa kanya ng mga kakampi niya ngayong first North bottom pair 26.7 per outing. Ginebra naman di nagpapauli. Number 3 sila dyan sa ating liga at 24.3. As Alma
Got hurt.
is hurt on the baseline.
Well, you know.
Cool found it and buries it.
Ang kumpiyansa ng bata, paakyat ang paakyat. Tira for 2 games now.
Malonzo against Tolentino. Kicks it over to Koo.
Biglang lumaki.
App Store, or you can watch via PilipinasLive.com. Register right now for free.
Nakatatlo na. 3 out of 1.
Salamat, Miss Apple. Another rejection there by Northport. Scotty lights it up.
Musok sila sa 3-point shooting dito sa first quarter.
Iiwan sana kay Japet. Ball is loose. 6 to shoot. Scotty punches it through.
Dahil sa sipat ni Scotty.
Ginebra San Miguel. Lamang sila ng Jam at the end of the first 12.
Yeah, I think he should, he's a good shooter, but he must take the right shot. Guys, go!
Speaking of the right shot, Dr. J.
Kaya pinasok yun eh.
25 to 7 quarter. Cool! Finally with a 3.
Kung wala si Cool dito, tambak na Ginebra, di ba? 15 points na ba yan? Galing tumira ng 3-point shots, no, as the starting 5.
Malonzo.
Ayan, narinig ka.
Jamie with a zone breaker.
Or not, is a different story.
Arvin Tolentino shoots 79.3% from there. As Malonzo throws it down.
And ang galing na naman yung pasa kay Ku. So, he's doing everything. Kaya...
What action we are witnessing inside the Nino Aquino Stadium. Napakagandang Sunday special live on RPTV.